well, gee, if we can just do better, if we can move some more lives away from tobacco.
Typical meeting?
At this point, Washington has a strategic plan.
Hardly. You see, nothing like this Washington Quits Tobacco Cessation Summit has ever been done before.
And if we can come up with a strategy that works, then Washington will really be a beacon to the rest of the country.
Nearly 50 people from businesses, unions, public health, chambers of commerce, and nonprofits all came together to develop a concrete plan to help businesses help their employees quit smoking.
Out of the 25 smokers that we know about, the 25 employees, we really want to see that go down to 0. So that's my personal goal. I just want to connect up with a wider community and see how we can get there more quickly.
That was the whole point of this Washington Quits Summit, to bring the ideas of so many diverse groups together into one cohesive plan for businesses looking for new ways to battle an old problem.
Healthy employees are more productive employees as well. So it drives the cost of doing business down when we hire and have healthy employees.
The Washington Health Foundation played a leading role in this summit as the major sponsor and facilitator of the event. Tobacco cessation is a key measure and one of the highest priorities in the Foundation's Healthiest State in the Nation campaign. In fact, our first of its kind tobacco cessation tracker at our website, healthieststate.org, is designed to help smokers kick the habit.
So I think we have a great tool there that we can experiment with to really show how we can use engagement as a strategy to really make a difference.
Hours of intense dialogue, discussion, and negotiations ended with this unique partnership establishing the goal of reducing tobacco use in Washington from the current 17% of the population down to 15% or less by 2010 and aspiring to reach 12% by 2012. The group also identified some 60 strategies to achieve those goals.
Maybe Washington will be a leader in putting business and private sectors together and public sectors and saying we can really make a big dent on the most important health problem facing the people in our state.
Nothing like this had ever been done before, and the plan that came out of this Washington Quit Summit will offer smokers the chance to quit and increase their probability of quitting by providing businesses with new tools to help. One more step in our goal to help make Washington the healthiest state in the nation.